In this video, I'll show you how to create documents with Gamma AI in 2026, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Gamma AI. Sign in to your account and open your Gamma workspace. Now click the option to create a new project. From the available content types, choose the option for creating a document. Next, you'll need to describe what you want Gamma AI to write. Enter a clear prompt with your topic and the type of document you need. For example, you can type, "Create a professional guide about digital marketing for beginners." You can also mention the sections, writing style, audience, and approximate length you want. After entering your prompt, start the generation process. Gamma AI will create a document based on your instructions and organize the information into sections. Once the document is generated, review the content carefully. You can click on different sections to edit the text, add new information, remove unnecessary parts, or rearrange the content. You can also use Gamma's AI tools to rewrite, expand, shorten, or improve selected content when those options are available. If you want to change the document's appearance, use the theme and customization options. You can adjust the overall style, fonts, layouts, and other design elements to make the document look more professional. Before finishing, read through the entire document and check the spelling, formatting, and accuracy of the information. When everything looks good, use the available sharing or export options to share or save your document, depending on the features available with your Gamma plan. And that's how you can create and customize documents with Gamma AI in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful AI tutorials.